welcome back to my channel Soulzeal. Tanpit Kaur this side. Today we will be talking about number sequences, why you are seeing these number sequences, what does this want to tell you, what is the message that the angels are trying to send you. So you can choose whichever number sequence you are seeing again and again, and I'll be telling what kind of message your angels are trying to send you. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click on the link below the video and subscribe to my channel now, and I'll see you at your pile. For the people who are seeing 111 regularly, what is the message that your angels have for you? Okay, so the message your angels are giving you is to stand up for yourself, stand up for what you believe in. Okay, but that does not mean get into conflicts with people. Okay, you have to not lower your vibrations. Once you're meeting people, you should not lower your vibrations by having a conflict over standing up for yourself. I feel you have the courage to stand up for yourself, but you should not let it lower your vibrations by getting into conflicts with people because you want to take your standpoint. I understand taking your standpoint is the right thing to do, but you should not condemn people by taking your stand. You have to learn the way of saying things. You have to learn the way of telling things to people. It could also mean spiritually standing up for yourself, so for what you believe in, getting into the right path spiritually. Okay, so maybe you are spiritually aligning yourself, standing up for yourself, taking a stand for yourself spiritually, and aligning with your life purpose. Okay, whatever the soul messages are coming to you, you are getting those messages and aligning yourself with the soul message. You are taking a stand for what you believe in, doing things that you believe in. Okay, so this also talks about having the courage to avoid those lower vibes and getting and aligning yourself to the universe, to your angels. Whatever messages they are sending you, you are aligning to those messages. And what this crystal azurite here is telling you is, are you connected with all the knowing and all the seeing part of yourself? Allow for the unimpending flow of information, knowledge and wisdom that is within you. Seek out calming experiences such as meditation and visualization. Take notice of the signs and symbols around you and contemplate their meanings. So what this crystal here is telling you is to remove those excessive thoughts. And what this is also telling you is to use meditation to connect with your angels, to connect with the divine, with the universe, because that is giving you the directions. Okay, your angels are giving you the directions. This crystal works on your third eye, throat and your heart. Okay, so it clears all your blockages of your heart and aids in communication and visions. So whatever you are seeing right now, if you are seeing this 111 again and again, you are aligning with your life purpose. You are going in the right direction. You are standing up for yourself. And now is the right time to meditate and align with the universe, because you are already coming in alignment with the universe. That is what I have for you today. Like and subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is just under the video. For the people who've chosen 222, if you are seeing this number 222, what does it mean for you? You are going through a change, a long awaited change. So this change has to come to your life. This is a logical mental change is what I feel. You are coming out of this tower moment that has happened in the past. You are coming out of that moment. It could also mean that you are going through some kind of a spiritual transformation, because your basic beliefs of life are changing. Your whole personality is changing. You are feeling like a new you. Okay, it is a good change which is happening. You are getting into a new perspective about life. You are understanding life in a way that you have never understood before. So it is aligning you to the path, to your spiritual path. It is aligning you to the new you. So get into this energies, move on. Do not fear the change which is coming. Okay? Walk on this path. What this red goldstone here is telling us is, are you in touch with your magnificence? Have you been living your life in full splendor? Find ways to bring more joy into your life. Become aware of the source of emotional challenges or perceived blocks so you can release them. Get in touch with your inner radiance and shine your light bright. What it is telling you is to release whatever blocks if you are still holding on to any, and to enjoy the magnificence of life. Okay, this crystal works on your root chakra. Okay, you have to ground yourself. This crystal helps you ground yourself. If you want to visualize and ground yourself, I have shared in the community page a link on how you can ground yourself. This crystal is also telling you to uplift yourself. It is motivating you to move on in your life. You are in alignment with the universe, so you have to take a step forward now. You have moved out of this tower moment. Whatever has to fall has fallen down. Now you can move ahead, you can charge ahead. Accept and move. Accept this change. That is what I have for you. Like and subscribe to my channel. The subscription button is just below the video. Okay, for the people who've chosen 333, if you are seeing this number 333, so what 333 here means for you is, if you're having those fear of failures, if you are having any kind of fears which are coming not just from this life, these fears can come even from your past life. So you have to understand these fears are very deep rooted fears which are coming on surface. Your angels are telling you that they are with you through this emotional healing which is happening in your life. Whatever is coming to you is for you to learn something from it. Okay, winning and losing is a part of life. So accept it. Accept and move on. Accept, give it a acceptance. Whatever has happened in the past has happened. Take the learning and move on. You do not want to be stuck into that point in your life. Okay, do not let others derail you from your life purpose. You have to boost your confidence up. Boost up your confidence. You can do it. You can move from whatever has happened in the past. Move ahead. Your angels are with you. They are helping you. They are motivating you. They are uplifting you. You have the power to walk out of this situation. You are here to learn this lesson. That is why all this is happening in your life. Your angels are telling you that this is aligned with your life purpose. You have to take the understanding and move on from this point. And what this crystal Seraphinite here is telling us is, have you observed the presence of life and spirit in all objects that fill the universe? Are you receiving divine messages? Embrace your gift to live a charmed life and help others find peace. Take time for rituals to open your heart to the spiritual essence of all that is. Everything has a life force. So this crystal works on our crown chakra. Okay, so this is connecting you. This is healing you. This is healing your emotional body. Okay, it's healing your emotional self. Okay, you have to walk out of this situation, these fears. You have to walk out of these fears. Can or might come from your past life. Even if you do not know where it is coming from, you have to heal. You can meet a counselor, you can talk about it, you can even take a past life therapy session. Okay, or you can take a past life reading from me or from anyone. Okay, because you have to understand where this is coming from. Why is it coming to you now? What lesson does it want to teach you? You can write about it also. You can write whatever you are feeling and understand, because once you start writing, you will know that this is coming from here, this is coming from here. A lot of things are coming from your inner child also. So all these things are important. They need healing. That is why they are coming to you. You have to aid yourself emotionally. So I think you have to start working on yourself, working on your heart, and open your heart. Open your heart to all the possibilities that are coming to you. That is what I have for you today. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe button is below the video. For the people who choose in 444, so if you are seeing this number 444, what is the message? Okay, what your angels are trying to tell you is to go within. Go within and understand. There are new lessons that are coming for you. Okay, you have to go inside and figure out what lessons are there. What is the significance of those lessons at this point in your life? You have to contemplate. Okay, go within, but do not stay there forever. Okay, you have to come out. You have to take the learning and move ahead. So go within, but come out. After you have understood, after you have taken your lesson, come out. Come out of those thoughts. You cannot be stuck in those thoughts. So if you are feeling like you have a lot of thoughts, you have to figure out whatever lessons those thoughts have for you. Okay, so if you have 5 thoughts, close them, taking the lesson from them. You cannot change whatever has happened in your past. You have to move on, take the learning and move on in your life, move forward in your life. You have to move from this shadow to light. Okay, because you cannot stay in this shadow for long. There is a movement that has to happen. This amethyst crystal here is telling you, are you ready to transform your reality into one of joy, health and prosperity? Allow the violent flame to elevate your consciousness and open to self-transformation. Strive for personal excellence to be the best you can be. Choose your words carefully to communicate your thoughts to others without fault or blame. So what it here is telling us is you are on a path of personal excellence. Okay, you are creating a new self. There's a self transformation, a very deep self transformation that is happening for you. This is what the hermit is also telling us. This is what the crystal is also telling us. This crystal works on the third eye. It is aligning you with the higher consciousness, aligning you with what the angels, the wisdom of the angels. Take in that wisdom. Okay, take in that wisdom and move on. This can also talk about if you are seeing some kind of weird dreams. This can also happen if you are walking in your dreams, if you are doing astral travels in your dreams. So this can also relate to people who are spiritually aligned with themselves and are going through a deep transformation. They are seeing a lot of things. They are having lots of psychic visions. So all these people can see this 444 sequence. That is what I have for you today. Thank you. Like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. The subscribe button is below the video. Thank you. For the people who are seeing 555. So what I see for you is there is a reward. There's a reward for work well done. Okay, so you have done your work and the rewards are coming to you. You are in the right direction. You are moving in the right direction. Do not look back. Do not question at this point of time. Opportunities are coming to you. They are getting attracted to you. You can plan your direction now. Okay, so things are put into action, but they have not ended yet. They are into action. But you have to keep pushing. You have to keep planning ahead. You have to be ready to learn. ready to learn something new every day. And new things are coming to you as well. So get into this alignment, get into this moment which is happening for you. The purple diagonate here is telling us, is your intuition particularly heightened at this time? Are you receiving messages from the divine? Embrace this divine gifts in order to live a charmed and enlightened life. Help others attain freedom from suffering and find happiness and peace. Pursue training to develop your intuitive gifts and use them freely. So, yes, you are working on your intuition, you are letting your intuition flow. Okay, so this is also helping you flow your intuition. So, this crystal works on your crown in your solar plex chakra. So, it helps your intuition flow. The messages from the angels are coming to you. Your energy is balancing. Whatever you wish in your life, your manifestations are coming true. The manifestations are put into action. You have to think outside the box, okay, and start taking action. This is the right time to move, to take action. So if you are seeing the sequence, go ahead and do what you have always wanted in your life. So if you wanted to propose someone, go and propose that person. Go ahead and do whatever you like, whatever you have wanted, whatever you have manifested. It is the time to take action for you. If you are seeing these numbers, then go ahead and take the action. That is what your angels want to tell you. That is what I have for you today. Like and subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is below the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're chosen 666, if you are seeing this number 666 again and again, the message that it has for you is to push ahead with determination. Okay, things are happening for you, things are in action for you, things are in moment for you, victory is there for you. You have to push ahead with determination. If you're pushing ahead with all your power, things are going to happen for you. Change and growth, all these things are happening for you. You are aligning with the divine. Choose what you want in your life. Okay, this is the right time to make your choice and move ahead. Make plans, manifest it. You have to set your goals, so you can also plan some short-term goals and some long-term goals. And this is the right time to set those goals, those dreams into action, and clear your focus. Once your focus is clear what you want, that's why you have to set the goals. So once you set the goals, your focus is clear and you're ready to move ahead. What this crystal here is telling us is, have you been shy about accepting overtures of friendship? Are you timid about starting a romantic relationship or rekindling an existing one? Make an effort to turn a reticent attitude into a more outgoing outlook. Embrace your personal power and be willing to connect. Recognize your magnificence and enjoy fulfilling interaction with others. So this crystal works on your root and your heart chakra. Okay, so this crystal is telling you to go and meet that perfect life partner, that your energies are aligning to go and meet that perfect life partner, that perfect job, that perfect business which you have been thinking about. So all these perfect things are coming in your life. So if you are single, a partner is going to show up in your life. That is why you are seeing this number sequences. It could also mean you are putting your mind into some kind of action. Okay, it could be some kind of a new business venture you have been thinking about. Spiritually, this means you are receiving love from your angels. Your angels are sending you divine love. Okay, they feel you need a lot of love at this point in your life, and they are sending you a lot of love, loving energies from the universe. Accept that love and heal yourself, heal your heart, and move, walk ahead. You will be victorious in whatever you are doing in your life. You are on the path of victory. That is what we have for you today. Like and subscribe to my channel. The subscription button is below the video. Thank you for watching. For the people who've chosen 777, So if you are seeing this number sequence 777, what does it have for you? What this 777 here is telling us is, do not try and suppress your anger, your dreams. Do not suppress them. You have to walk that path. Okay? You do not want to run away from your dreams. You do not want to store your dreams within you. You want to take action on your dreams. And this card here is telling you to bravely pursue your dreams. Okay? Do not step back. Move ahead. Work on your dreams. It could also mean some kind of a new curiosity about some kind of a project that you are going to start. You have an idea of some new project that you want to start. It can mean that you're curious about this new project. It can also mean getting everything done. Okay? You are getting a lot of things done. At one point, you're putting your energy in a lot of things. And there's a lot of energy in you at this point of time also. You have to stay away from conflicts. And I want you not to be impulsive. The angels are telling you, do not be impulsive. Get into a positive energy. Get into this creative energy. But do not get into conflicts. Convert this energy into creativity for you, into some kind of action for you. Do not waste this energy into conflicts. And what this Fahrenheit crystal here is telling us, are you ready to transform your life and create happiness? Are you ready to release suffering and ignorance? Determine the root of suffering and observe rigid thought patterns. Embrace inner peace and mindfulness, and practice honesty and compassion. As you release old and worn out perspectives on life, open yourself to find happiness. So go and find happiness. Release those patterns which are not serving you anymore. This crystal works on your heart chakra and your solar plex chakra. What this crystal here is telling you is to release that chatter which is going in your mind. Okay, whatever someone is saying to you doesn't matter. You have to move. You have to move on. You have to stop being rigid. You have to walk your path, because this rigidness is a blockage in your life purpose. You have to go with the flow. You have to embrace that peace that is coming to you. I feel right now what your angels want to tell you is to release those old patterns and transform yourself. Create happiness for yourself. And you know how to do that. It is not that you have to learn it. You already know how you can have peace, happiness, and compassion in your life. But currently, you are engrossed in your mental chatter, those negative feelings. Get out of those feelings and flow. Go with the flow. And use this energy that you have. Do some exercise, okay? Physical and mental exercise. All these will help you at this point of time. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is below this video. Thank you. For the people who are seeing AAA, what is the message for you? Your angels want to ask you to ground yourself. Take this earthy energy, or you are connected to earth angels, could also be one thing. Your angels are telling you to have a new perspective towards life. Remove that lack of interest in things. There are small steps that you have to start taking in your life. Do not plan big at all at one time. Plan small steps in your life and you will be paving the path for yourself. This is a step-by-step process that you have to start in your life. A step-by-step process to your success. You have to start thinking on that step-by-step process. What this petalite crystal here is telling us is, are you connected with the oneness of your heart and mind? Are you seeking a way to balance your emotions and release tears brought on by mood swings? Invite in the energy of the divine feminine to restore your equilibrium. Feel the energy of mercy, compassion, and kindness within you and for those around you. What this is telling us is that you have to balance yourself, balance your emotional energies, heal your heart chakra. Okay, this is a healing for your heart chakra. How can you heal your heart chakra? Ground yourself, go in a park, connect Connect with your angels, because I feel you are guided by the earthy angels, the angels of earth. So go in nature, connect with the nature. You can do some kind of forest walks, or even go to a park, to a wildlife sanctuary, to a bird sanctuary, anywhere you feel connected with, anywhere you are with nature, because the angels want you to go out in nature and connect with nature. They are giving you messages to connect with nature. They are giving you messages to balance. Not just, okay, so you have to start embracing your feminine side. You have to balance those yin and yang energies in you. Maybe you are not giving that much importance to the feminine side of you. You have to start embracing that feminine side of you and cut those cords which are no more required in your life. So cut out those people from your life who are not required in your life anymore. You have to move out of that energy, move out of those people, because those people are taking away your mental peace. Else it is telling you is to calm and center yourself. So go in the back and center yourself. Sit there for 5 minutes, close your eyes and connect. Tell your angels to come and tell you whatever message they have for you, what they want to tell you. Take in their energies. They have a lot of wisdom for you. They want to heal your heart. Go there and tell them, I'm here to heal my heart. And I'm sure they'll come and help you and heal your heart. Connect with them, and they have a lot to give you. Be ready to receive those energies and disconnect those cords which are not serving your purpose. That is what I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like and subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is below this video. Thank you so much. Okay, for the people who've chosen 999, so if you are seeing 999 series, what does it mean for you? So what this 999 here is telling us, currently you might be facing like safety issues. You are not feeling safe. You are feeling like a lot of things are happening around you which are making you feel unhealthy. You might be feeling stressful. You might be having anxiety, depression. So if you're going through all these things, then you might be seeing this number sequence. Okay? Because it wants you to release those patterns. It wants you to focus on creating. Focus on creating things. Focus on the positive things. Do not focus your energies on what is missing. Focus on what you want to create in your life. If you keep thinking and creating energies about what you don't want in your life, you are not going on your life path, because you are again and again thinking about your anxieties, your health issues, your depression. That is what you are thinking about at this point of time. The angels want you to release that pattern. Come out. Blossom as a flower. Okay, you have to come out of this problems that you're facing and use this energy to create what you want rather than to create what you don't want in your life. Focus your energies in creating what you want in your life, manifesting what you want in your life. This new moon, you can manifest whatever you want. So new moon is on 22nd. You can manifest whatever you want on this new moon. Whatever you're looking forward to, you can manifest on this new moon. I will be sharing the new moon ritual with you guys on the community page. You can subscribe to my channel, then you can see that community post that I will be doing for this new moon. Go ahead and see and align yourself this new moon, and rather every new moon. Whenever you're watching this video, I'll be posting new moon ritual every time on every new moon. So you go and align yourself with this new moon energy. Create a new you. Okay, get out of this feeling of self-pity. You have to flip your perspective. This has to happen. And this crystal labradorite here is telling us, do you often feel inspired to write? Are you a channel for messages from the divine? Take time to clear your consciousness, to discern the truth. Set your intentions to gain clarity and allow inspiration to flow through you. Trust that the information and wisdom you transcribe will help you and those around you. Okay, so what this crystal here is telling us, angels are here giving you a lot of clarity, a lot of information. They are here to heal your heart, your third eye, and your crown. Okay, so once you heal your heart, you can think clearly. You let go of whatever you have been holding on to. Your third eye, your crown, all these connections will become more stronger. You have to let go of whatever you are holding on to, whatever bad patterns you have been holding on to, and your angels are paving the way for you. They are paving the path for you. They are healing your heart. They are here to heal your heart. They are giving you wisdom to heal your heart. Connect with them. Close your eyes. Meditate. Tell them that you are listening and they are sending you messages. Write. I think you should do some kind of automatic writing. If you are spiritually connected with your angels, you can do some kind of automatic writing, or you can just write whatever you feel. Writing is what I feel will help you move on from this, move out of this situation which you are into. And if spiritually, this could also mean a transformation, a big transformation is happening spiritually for you, but you are stuck here. So you connect with your angels and they are giving you ancestral wisdom. So this ancestral wisdom is taking you away from this negative energy, this self-sabotaging energy, and you're moving more into the positive energy. So this crystal works in getting you that wisdom, that information that you seek. Align with your angels, connect with your angels. They are giving you the answers. That is what I have for you today. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is below this video. Thank you. If you are seeing 1010 regularly, what does it mean? Okay, so if you are seeing 1010 regularly, it means that you have to change your perspective. Let go. You are holding on to too much. Change your perspective, okay? There's a sacrifice that one has to go through. Okay, letting go is a sacrifice, right? Obviously, because you have to let go of something that you have been, that has been very dear to you. But you have to let go. This is the time. This is the time to sacrifice. Because once you sacrifice one thing, new things will come for you. It wants you to surrender. Surrender to the cosmos. The universe is waiting for you to surrender, so that it can tap you into the new energies. Do not resist this change, okay? You have to move with this change. You have to move into this change consciously and unconsciously. Once you get into this energy of looking at things from another perspective, your thought process will change. Okay, it wants you to go and release and go with the flow. The blue tiger's eye here is telling us, are you looking at something from only one angle? Do you need to rise above a situation to see with clarity? It is time to take steps to gain a new perspective on life. Trust your ability to see things and read situations clearly. Inner visions and dreams are helpful tools for self-knowledge. This blue tiger eye stone works on your throat and your third eye. What this crystal here is telling you is to release whatever fears you're having. Okay, if you are fearful of talking in public or on a stage, or you are fearful of giving a presentation, or you are having some embedded fears, your new perspective is going to release those fears. You have to go with the flow. Go with the flow, and things are going to change for you. Okay, a new perspective is coming to you. Your angels are giving you new perspective. They are sending you a lot of new perspectives. But are you listening? Start listening. Okay, there are visions that are coming to you. They are contacting you. They are telling you via dreams what you should follow, what you should work on. Are you understanding what the message is coming for you via those dreams? Understand those messages. Reevaluate your dreams, because there's a message in all the dreams that you are having. They are giving you some kind of self-knowledge that you need at this point of time to gain more clarity, to change your perspective. That is what I have for you. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe link is below the video. Thank you so much. For the people who have chosen 1111, if you are seeing this series of 1111, what does it mean for you? So you are seeing this series because there is a decision which is pending. You have not taken this decision, and this decision is blocking a lot of things in your life. This is blocking your moment. Okay, so you have to decide now. Decide it, whatever you want now, because a lot of positive things are waiting after this decision has been taken. If you are still contemplating how to take the decision, the answers are with you. You have all the answers. Do not question yourself. Contemplate on both your choices and look inside for answers. The answers are there. The universe is giving you the experience, the right experience. It is paving the path for you. But until and unless you are stuck in this decision, things are not moving ahead for you. You have to trust your judgment. So 1111 is saying, trust your judgment. Okay, trust your judgment. Take a leap of faith. If you are spiritually stuck at some point in your life, your angels are telling you to move. Choose a path and move into that path. If you are feeling emotionally stuck, you have to take a decision now. Evaluate both the problems. You have to evaluate both the problems and take your judgment. Take a leap of faith on your judgment. Your judgment is guiding you the right way. Understand there is an intuition that is coming to you. You have to meet that intuition. You have to align with that intuition. And if that intuition is not coming to you, then the angels are telling you to go by your judgment. If you are not able to understand what you have to do and your logic is taking the better of you, trust your judgment. Your angels are asking for your trust. Your angels are paving the path for you, but you have to move out of this energy and manifest what you want. Until and unless you're not ready to manifest, until and unless you're not ready to wish, your angels cannot give you anything. So you make your wish. This is what they're telling you. Choose a path and make your wish. Manifest it. That is going to happen for you. And the Calco copyright here is telling us, are you ready to create miracles and a new reality? Do you know that you can easily create a wonderful shift in your life? Get ready, because your dreams are about to become a reality. Don't stop short. Keep moving forward and trust in the process. You are a miracle worker. You are a miracle worker. Yes, you are a very spiritual person. You are connected to your angels. But your angels are telling you at this point of time, you are stuck and you make a wish. We don't know what to do next. Tell us, manifest it. So double one here is telling you to manifest. Manifest miracles in your life. Manifest what you want in your life. Because they are waiting to create this wonderful shift in your life. They are waiting to create your dreams into reality. They are waiting to make you move forward. This crystal works on your crown chakra, so it's connecting you to the universe, to the angels. And it is telling you to release those blockages. Okay, so this crystal is to release those blockages and increase your self-esteem. Have trust on yourself. Trust yourself, manifest, and it will come true for you. That is the message your angels have for you today. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is below this video. Thank you. So if you have been seeing this number 1212, what is coming for you? Okay. There is joy, there is love, there is happiness, there is friendship. All this is coming to you. Okay. There is bliss, there is attraction, nourishment, love. You are manifesting a lot of love in your life at this point of time. You are flourishing in your life. This is a gateway for evolution for you. Okay, a lot of evolution is happening for you. You are manifesting a lot of love in your life. You are meeting your soulmate. If you have been waiting to meet your soulmate is coming. Or if you already are with your soulmate, you are both connecting with each other, connecting on a way more deeper level. There is attraction, could be sexual attraction as well. This could also mean having a new business partner. Okay, this business partner could be also from your soul family. I feel you have a connection with this person, the person that is coming in your life. What this blue topaz here is telling us: do you feel the presence of the Divine Mother? Do you seek comfort in motherly love? Align with grace and the ever-present vibration of compassion, kindness, and mercy. Decide to release issues and vibrate at a rate that emanates peace, love, and well-being. Open your mind to allow miracles beyond your dreams to manifest. Open yourself to this new love, this new vibrations that are coming to you. Okay, this divine love, that divine relationship that is coming to you. You have to align yourself with this vibration of compassion, kindness, mercy. This is here to give you emotional support. Okay, you might be seeking emotional support in your life, and that emotional support is coming for you. Or maybe the other person is seeking your emotional support. Or it could just be about self-expression. Okay, you are trying to express yourself more openly to your partner, and there's a deep connection that is happening. If I talk spiritually, this could also mean connecting with the divine, that divine love coming to you, connecting with your angels on a very deeper level. It could also mean that your angels are sending you lots and lots of love, messages of compassion. They are asking you to be kind to more people in life. It could also mean releasing those issues and sending true love to everyone. Your life purpose may be aligned to healing more people. And I think it is the time for you to rise with love. Send out those pink vibrations. So maybe you are teaching people that how they can love themselves. You are sending out that loving energy to everyone. And you are teaching people to be kind to not just their family, to be kind to everyone around them, and help as many people as they can. Maybe you work for an NGO which is helping a lot of people in need, or you could also work with animals. I feel somehow you are aligning with your life purpose or spreading love. I see a lot of pink vibrations. So yes, you are aligning with your life purpose of spreading love. And you are here to spread love and meet that soulmate of yours. Thank you. That is what I have for you today. Like and subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is below the video. And if you have any questions for me, you can ask me those questions in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video.